Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today is the day. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2024 Monster Trucks M Case. Why is this so special? Because we finally get the Poison Pinto Monster Truck. Boom, boom, boom. I've been waiting for this one since I actually did a post about it on Jcar.com a year ago, talking about the coming of it and the treasure hunt that will be in Zamac form. So thanks to Hot Wheels designer Brendan Vituski for giving me the preview shots of that. But I did not have it in hand until now. So the day is finally here, or hopefully it's in here, and I get to add it to my collection. So before we go any further, thank you to Jcar Diecast for sending this case over. Check out Jcar Diecast for all your Hot Wheels monster trucks needs. All right, we have the 5-alarm, another Power Smashers. Got the clear wheels, clear frame. It's a Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live vehicle. But yeah, Power Smashers, the series continues. So nice to see a new one there. All right. We have the Michelangelo Ninja Turtles Monster Truck. Green. Got the Michelangelo mask. I don't know if have we seen all the Ninja Turtles in Monster Truck form? I know we've seen them all in character car form. I think this Monster Truck is, unlike the character cars, the Monster Truck is standard for all 4 of them. It doesn't appear to be a new one either. All right, new for 2024, the Steer Clear. So this one has a wild, like, giraffe deco, right? A giraffe deco with like a rattlesnake top to it. Orange wheels. The Stripes Earned series. These are kind of like animals on top of animals. Steer Clear. Yes, okay, here we go. It's here, finally. The Poison Pinto Monster Truck. Oh, I've been waiting for this one. Check out those rivets on the top. Leave it to Hot Wheels designer Brendan Vituski for not only taking the classic Poison Pinto, bringing it into the line, but also modifying it and giving it a monster truck like edge to it. It's got the rivets now on the top. It's got the fender flares. Like, this is, if they brought the Poison Pinto back, as much nostalgia is in this casting, I'd want to see it in this form. Like, it just looks way better than the original ever did. Wow, this is cool. So I don't think, yeah, just glancing in the case, we did not get the treasure hunt version of this, which is unfinished or Zamac, and it would have red line tires on it. That is not in here, but this is cool nonetheless. So put that aside for the collection. Hey, speaking of collection, another one that's going into collection, the Will. Well, it normally is the Will Trash It All, but now it's the Will Eat It All. So it's the garbage truck with look, it looks like a little like little shop of horrors, or little, you know, Feed Me Seymour kind of a little plant on there, right? Little piranha plant, and it just happens to be on the flap or the lid to the garbage truck, so it'll open up there and it'll look as though it's chomping away. So this is nice. We've seen a lot of rehashed decos on the Will Trash It All, so it's nice to finally have a new deco on one. So, and this one's pretty cool. It's got the purple and green. I always love purple and green together for some reason. Color scheme. And yeah, just good to have a new deco on this one. I started a casting collection of this one a while back, like when it first debuted in like 2019 or 2020, and I even wrote an article about it on Jcar.com, and so you should definitely check that out. But this is, I really like this deco. Oh, look at that, even the front has a little like teeth So really cool deco, just a fun deco. So that actually goes into collection as well. So two really good collection cars there, at least for my collection. All right, so this is the HWMT Trike. So this is a brand new casting. Freestyle Records. It's like like a big wheel, right? Was big wheel Mattel? I don't remember. But yeah, it's kind of in that essence, right? The big wheel in the front, smaller wheels in the rear. The HWMT Trike. So something for if these kind of things pique your interest, it's good for you to be able to have those in your collection. All right, what else we got here? Oh, we got Trolls, the Trolls Poppy, complete with hair on top. So if you're a fan of Trolls, or your kids are, or you love Trolls hair to play with, so I don't know. Either way, you do get this one. This one is a rehashed deco. We saw it earlier. I think it was like in the A case for this year, so it already made an appearance here in the M case. And last but not least, the Bashzilla. So the Bashzilla made its appearance earlier in the year as well, and we see it again here in the M case. So I don't know why. It kind of reminds me of how I was collecting, back in the 90s, right? You'd see random cars from earlier in the year in the cases later in the year. So not like these days where you have, I know everybody longs for the olden days, but these the olden days weren't so great in terms of Hot Wheels collecting, in terms of getting fresh cars. So these days you have every 2 mixes you're in, fresh cars in the main line. So, but yeah, we'll stack these back up in the case. 2 repeats there. And I think we'll call this a 3rd repeat. So another 3 repeats, right? We just looked at the L case the other day. It had 3 repeats and 5 new trucks, or monster trucks. So that might be the trend here. I guess I never really kept track of it before. You can go through all the case unboxings on jcardiecast.com and see for yourself. But yeah, look at that. New casting. That's cool. And if you're into wildlife or animal cars, that one is a pretty cool one. Or if you're into the real monster trucks that actually exist, that's a cool one. But my 2 highlights of the case, obviously, are the Poison Pinto, which I've been longing to get, and the Will Trash / Eat It All. So, all right. Well, thank you again to Jcar Diecast for sending this case over. Make sure you check out jcardiecast.com and pick up this case for yourself. Poison Pinto!